Well, hello. Have you ever experienced any type of pest in your worm bins? Leave it in the comments box below right now because I'd love to hear your answer. But here are 3 pests that are helpful that you can find in your worm bins. Number 1, it is, excuse me, roly-polies or isopods. They're crustacean like lobster kind of creatures. They're brownish, blackish color. They walk around inside your worm bins. They help to consume decaying matter. And they also have the potential of eating decaying carcasses as well. Another thing that people experience is number 2 is springtails. Springtails can be overwhelming inside of a worm bin. They're white insects. They're tiny, but they flip up and down. They spring to try to get away. So that's how they got the name springtails. They eat decaying matter, and they're also helpful to eat mold inside of a worm bin. And number 3 is black soldier flies. Black soldier flies are little larvae, like worm, maggot-looking things. They're black, and then they grow into flies. They're able to mate. They don't have mouths. But the thing about black soldier flies is that they have the potential to consume meat compared to red wigglers. So if you're ever thinking about decomposing meats, get yourself some black soldier flies. If you're interested in black soldier flies, check this video out right here. But now, another thing that could be in your worm bin as a bonus is mites. Now, mites can be overwhelming. They're red in color. There could be an infestation of mites in your worm bin. They're helpful, but you don't want them in there because they can also eat your worms. So to get rid of red mites, all you have to do is get yourself some soggy, wet bread. The mites will be consumed. They'll travel over to eat the bread. You just keep exposing the bread until you eliminate your mite problem. So those are a few of the pests that are helpful, and there's other pests that you don't want inside your worm bin, such as fruit flies. So if you ever experience fruit flies, check this video out right here, and I'll help you get rid of them bad boys forever. See you in the next one.